Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting an offer on my phone while I'm talking. I look absolutely crazy. There's no explanation for it, but we're gonna go with it. I got this headband yesterday at World Market. It's one of the few things that I will buy new are hair accessories and hats sometimes, because it's just kind of grosses me out a little bit. But today I wanted to go over the software that I use to share items, to delist, so take them down and relist them. And I also use this software to drop prices, to raise prices. Let's see, what else do I use this for? Mainly sharing. So like every day I use this for sharing. It has features on here to send bulk offers, bulk price updating, relist, delist, and offers to watchers. So I do all of that, but I definitely use it the most for sharing. I think sharing is a tedious, annoying part of Poshmark that I hate. It's one of the reasons that I stayed off of Poshmark for a long time and used eBay. But now that I use this, I like Poshmark way more than I used to. So the software is called Posherva. This is not sponsored. I have considered reaching out to them to see if they would do a sponsorship with me, but I wanted to share this. I don't know if they even do sponsorships. I've seen a lot of people just share it because when you use my code, I get a little kickback, but that's not why I'm sharing this. I just think it's an amazing tool. I spend my own money on this software. I pay a monthly fee of $25, and I think, here, let me read the stats off to you guys. The limit for daily sharing is 6,000 shares of your own closet, I believe. You can follow people every day as well. That's up to 4,000 people. And then you can send unlimited offers, and price updating is unlimited. Relisting is at a limit of 200, and then you can have up to 25 reCAPTCHA, which from what my understanding is like bug software, so it has to kind of maneuver around the fact that you're using a bot for you, and it will do that up to 25 times. I never have even gotten close to 25, but I have gotten close to sharing 6,000 times. And now that I have this new computer, which I'm going to show you guys, I definitely think that I will get up to that limit. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the computer around and show you guys how easy this is. This video will only be about 8 to 10 minutes long, so I hope that it's helpful. So let me turn you around, and then if I have any things that have sold, because I do like to get my videos up to 8 minutes so that I get some type of I get a payment from YouTube for laying ads over my video. You have to have up to 8 minutes. So if you post YouTube videos, that's just a heads up for that too. But let me turn this around and show you guys the software. Okay, so this is our new setup. We have 2 desktop computers. We have this new gaming, what do you even call that? Whatever, hard drive, because we definitely needed it, and this. It is really nice, but, okay, so when you download the software, and it's very easy, I'm not going to walk you guys through that, I will do a different video on that, you will have a program updated. It's an extension into a Chrome browser, so if you don't have Chrome, you definitely need to download Chrome. You just click here on Poshmark/Posherva. It's an extension, like I said, and you'll get this drop down box to share. You stay under this tab, and let me get a little closer. Okay, here's the share tab. You can follow people, you can send offers to watchers, send bulk offers, bulk price updating, like I already mentioned. There's the other ones, relist, delist, they just added this. And then there's options for sharing limits. If I want to go past 6,000, I believe I have to pay a higher fee for the subscription. And then on your last tab, you'll have all your stats so that you know where you are for the day. Mine is sharing actively, so it does upload in real time. And then when it's sharing, it will show you down here as well, and it will tell you when it's complete. So right now I just cleared out a bunch of items from my closet. I either donated them or sold them for really cheap on eBay, or took them off of here because I'm trying to have a more niche Poshmark closet. So I like to put here, so as you can see, I have 216 active listings. So if I do not know what I currently have, but I have a ballpark number, I would just put like 250. And you can randomize it if you want. You can do continuous sharing for more than one loop. So if you don't want to sit here and keep telling it to share, you could do 2 or 3 in one sitting, and that's not going to really flag you. You can also change the sharing speed. I keep mine on medium. I just share from my closet to my followers. And yeah, so I normally just do one loop. You don't really need to do that if you're just doing one loop. And then sometimes I'll randomize, sometimes I won't. So just to show you, if it's not sharing currently, it will just look like that. And then you hit start and it gets your items ready. And then to keep this running, you do have to have your desktop active, or set it to where it won't shut off. If your monitor shuts off or goes to sleep, the software will stop. Okay. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is that, let me see, you can set it up. Let's see, you can. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to show you guys, which is what I'm going to be doing now since I'm on this desktop instead of my laptop, but you can do it on your laptop too, is to schedule out sharing for the day. So you're going to keep it the same, 2 followers, my closet, I keep mine on medium. You're going to max out your listings or a little bit higher. You're going to do continuous sharing like we did before, but you're going to hit schedule. And then, so I have had good luck within the middle of the day, sales going through when I schedule this. So I'm going to do 3 p.m. just for now, every day at this time. And then I'm going to hit schedule. And then make sure that sleep mode is not turned on is what it's telling you during the day. And that is that section. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is my code that's probably been on the screen the entire time. It saves you 20%. So if you want the same subscription, and you can cancel at any time, I use the $25 one. You can also pay forward for the whole year and you save some money doing that. So monthly I do the $25 plan, so that would make it only $20. And I believe they do like a little test out phase of like a week, so you can try for free. You can cancel at any time, it's easy, you just go to your account and billing dashboard. But the other plans, they have a quarterly one that's $70 and it's billed every 3 months, you save 6%. They have one that's every 6 months, you pay $135 and it's billed every 6 months. Oh, I already said that. You save 10%, and then if you want to do the full year, you only pay $250, billed every 12 months, obviously, and it saves you 17%. So you basically get 2 months free, and if you like the subscription, you can bump up the plan later if you just want to do a month at a time. Right now I'm just paying monthly. Because I've been changing things around, but I've had this subscription since July. So I signed up July 14th and I just paid in November. My next billing cycle will be in December. You can pay with PayPal, so it's secure and you don't have to worry about, any weird bots or fees or anything. But this is pretty credible. A lot of the people I follow that have bigger businesses use it. I did bulk price updating and offers to watchers immediately when I use this, and I had 5 to 10 sales like that same day. So and I just had offers coming in while I was filming this video because I have the software sharing for me. So if you want to sign up, you can use my code. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to see any other features or want me to do a more dedicated, longer video on just one of the features, let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!